How to create a route on Apple Maps on iPhone. Here's how. First, open the Apple Maps app on your iPhone. Search for the location you want to travel to, then tap the place from the search results. Next, tap Directions. Apple Maps will automatically use your current location as the starting point. If you want to use a different starting location, tap Address and enter your preferred starting point. Now choose how you want to travel. By default, you may see Driving selected. Tap it, and you'll see other options such as walking, transit, cycling, or rideshare, depending on your location. Choose your preferred option, and Apple Maps will show you the available routes. You can also compare alternative routes and check the estimated travel time before starting. And that's it. You now know how to create and follow a route in Apple Maps on your iPhone. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and check out more iPhone and Apple Maps tutorials.